I'm Kim Womack. I live in Houston, Texas, and I have been familiar with Allied's product and service for, more than 20 years. Most people want to get price estimates and have people come out, and nobody that I've heard of usually can beat the price of Allied. So it's more than reasonable. They're more than competitive. And that, you know what, they do a good job in terms of not messing up the property. I think that's another important thing to know. The most reassuring thing about addressing a foundation issue, especially in residential real estate, is knowing that the company isn't going anywhere, that they have a long outstanding record of customer satisfaction, and that we can freely recommend to our clients that from past experience, dealing with Allied is never a problem. The reputation of satisfying the customer is out there, and that's so important. Customer service and satisfaction, and just longevity in the business, not to mention doing outstanding work at a very reasonable price. The most important things.